United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 97, Penal jurisdiction, in matters of collision, or any other incident of navigation. 1. In the event of a collision, or any other incident of navigation concerning a ship on the high seas, involving the penal, or disciplinary responsibility of the master, or of any other person in the service of the ship, no penal or disciplinary proceedings may be instituted against such person except before the judicial or administrative authorities either of the flag state, or of the state of which such person is a national. 2. In disciplinary matters, the state which has issued a master's certificate, or a certificate of competence or license shall alone be competent, after due legal process, to pronounce the withdrawal of such certificates, even if the holder is not a national of the state which issued them. 3. No arrest or detention of the ship, even as a measure of investigation, shall be ordered by any authorities other than those of the flag state.